how to log into your Royal Bank of Scotland. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll show you how you can log into your Royal Bank of Scotland. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference, and in the web address bar simply type in Royal Bank of Scotland. Now tap on the first link, which is Royal Bank of Scotland rbs.co.uk. Now you will be redirected to the official homepage of Royal Bank of Scotland, where in order to log in you'll have to tap on the login option on the top right corner of your screen. After that, once you're redirected to another page, you'll have to basically choose whether you'd like to enter your customer number, which is your date of birth followed by your unique identification number, or you can also enter your 16-digit card number, which will usually be across the front of your debit or credit card. Now once you've entered any one of these, you can simply tap on the option continue, and once you have done that, it will ask you to enter your password, and once you've done all of the steps provided to you, you will have successfully logged in or signed in to your Royal Bank of Scotland RBS account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.